Here's why rejection is actually so hard. When we get rejected, we actually experience a mini chemical drop in our brains where the dopamine drops and the cortisol spikes. The real damage is the story we attach to it. We get that no and our brain thinks, man, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Or if I get another no, I'm going to be off track. But here's the truth. Rejection doesn't kill confidence, meaning does. Change the meaning and you change the momentum. Here's how the top 1% of sales professionals handle rejection without flinching. Number one is they separate identity from outcome. They're not saying no, they're not rejecting you, which is what your brain thinks. You need to recognize that their rejection is on the product, the timing, the performance, whatever that may be. If the no is solid and you're walking away from it and you've already tried to answer those objections, you need to be able to regroup and reframe and think about what is next and how you handle the next conversation. Number two is they see rejection as redirection. If you take the time to recognize what is one area of opportunity that I could have done better, and then you focus on the next outcome and focus on the positive side of things, it allows you to be able to move on quicker. So when I was selling books door to door, I remember one very simple thing is when I was frustrated coming out of a house, maybe I got a no, I would give myself the period of time whenever I was backing up to think about what I could have done better. And then when I was done backing up, I was on to the next one. You redirect that focus. Number three, they expect rejection and they train for it. I'll give you an example. If you look at a professional baseball player, if they're batting 300, they're in the Hall of Fame. That means 7 out of 10 times they are not getting on base. So if you can reframe your mindset to know, I'm actually going to get a certain number of no's to be able to get the yeses, it actually allows you to get excited whenever you're receiving those no's. So for example, my goal is to get 10 no's every single day. I know 2 of those are going to be big old bags of turds. And so whenever you experience somebody that's not happy or not friendly, you know, great, that's one of my 2 that I'm going to get every single day. Number 4, I say this all the time. They put their confidence in the activity, not the result. I can't change if somebody is going to say yes or no. I can influence, but I can't actually control that outcome. So if my confidence, if my feeling of happiness and my feeling of success is based on somebody else's decision, I am screwing myself already. So if I can focus on controlling the things that I can control, which is my attitude, my work ethic, and my activity, then I know beyond a shadow of a doubt that I can have an incredible day because I'm focusing on the things that are actually in my power. Take that power back for yourself. Remember, rejection isn't the enemy, it's the greatest performance mirror. One of my favorite sayings is good things happen, sometimes now, often later, always eventually. If we keep our focus on who's next and how are you going to serve them, each time you're getting no's, you're getting closer to be able to serve the next yes and have an incredible impact on that person that you're going to have a conversation with. If you made it this far, that means you got some value, and I'd love to be able to keep pouring into you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button. Let's keep getting after it.